Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something that can seriously make your life easier, banking online. And don't worry, we're going to go through everything step by step, so you'll feel totally confident and safe by the end. Sound good? Okay, let's dive in.
All right, so here's what we've got on tap for today. First, we'll get our feet wet with the basics, what online banking even is. Then, and this is the important part, we'll walk through some super simple safety rules. After that, we'll get a little bit of detective work in and learn how to spot common scams. And to wrap it all up, we'll talk about exactly how you can protect yourself. See? A nice, clear plan.
All right, let's get right into it with Section 1. Welcome to online banking. We're starting from square one here, and I promise there's no confusing tech speak ahead.
So what in the world is online banking? Honestly, it's just a really secure way to handle your bank account, using your computer or your tablet or even your phone. The best way to think about it, it's like having your very own bank branch that never closes right there in your own home.
And the stuff you can do? It's pretty cool. I mean, you can check your account balance whenever you want, day or night. You can pay your bills without ever having to lick a stamp again. You can see exactly when a check you wrote has been cashed. And you can shuffle money between your accounts in seconds. It's all about making your life easier.
Okay, moving on to Section 2. This is a big one. Your simple safety rules. Now, I want you to think of these rules as the keys to your own personal digital vault. Super important stuff.
It really just comes down to three, let's call them golden rules. Rule number 1, create a strong password. You want a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Rule 2, keep it private. I mean, this is for your eyes only, seriously. And Rule 3, this is a quick visual check. Always, always look for that little padlock symbol up in the website's address bar. If you see it, you know the connection is secure.
Okay, now listen up, because this is probably the most important thing you'll hear today. Your bank will never, and I mean never, call you or email you and ask for your full password. It's just not something they do. So let me say it again. Your bank will never ask for your password. If someone does, it's not your bank, period.
All right, on to Section 3, spotting common scams. Now, the point of this isn't to scare you at all. It's actually the opposite. It's about empowering you, because you know what? Knowledge is your absolute best protection.
You've probably seen a message like this before, right? It pops up in your email or as a text. Urgent! Your bank account has been locked due to suspicious activity. Click this link immediately to verify your identity. Whoa! Hear that tone? That sense of panic and urgency? That is a huge, flashing red light that you're looking at a scam.
So, let me ask you, you see that message? What's your gut telling you? Is this the real deal, or is it a trick?
And here's how you can tell the difference every single time. A real message from your bank, it's going to be calm. It's going to use your actual name. A scam message, on the other hand, tries to create panic. It'll often use a generic greeting, like "Dear valued customer," and you might even spot spelling mistakes. They're trying to rush you so you don't notice those little details.
And that leads us perfectly into our last section, number 4, how to protect yourself. And the key thing to remember here is that you are the one in the driver's seat when it comes to your online safety. You've got this.
So let's put it all together in a quick safety checklist. Think of it as your new set of habits. Number 1, never ever share your password with anyone. Number 2, if a message feels super urgent and tries to make you panic, it's almost definitely a scam. Just take a breath. Number 3, if you're ever in doubt, just call your bank. But here's the key. Use the phone number on the back of your actual bank card, not a number from some suspicious email. And finally, number 4, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is.
So, that's really it. The big takeaway here is that you absolutely have the power and now the knowledge to bank online safely and with total confidence.
So I'm curious, after hearing all this, what's the first convenient thing you think you'll try with your online banking skills? Maybe paying a bill while you're watching TV, or checking your balance from the park. Whatever you choose to do, you're ready to do it safely. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today.